Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of renovations and the last week before we move. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. We haven't heard back from the contractor. They were supposed to be here at the beginning of this week. It is Tuesday now, no word. So we're just gonna be patient and do some odd little jobs that we still can do ourselves. I am now gonna fill these holes left over from one of the built-in cabinets, and we're probably gonna sand some walls today. Maybe we might go out and buy some more paint or other things that we will need, and yeah, just do as much as we can. Ceiling guys are coming. They're coming tomorrow. So I just spent some time covering up this carpet that we'd like to keep. Hopefully this is sturdy enough. It's a bit makeshift, but you know, every bit counts. It is very hot today. We are very tired by now, but we spent today just cleaning up. We vacuumed underneath the ceilings. I mean, how many times do you get the opportunity to vacuum beneath your ceilings, right? Vacuumed everywhere, vacuumed the stairs. This is all neat again. The bathroom, there was just dirt and debris all over there, and we cleaned everything up. The house is nice and fresh for them to start working in. The kitchen guys are also coming tomorrow to measure the kitchen. I think all there's left for us to do right now before we move is to try and paint the living room. We would like to have the living room painted before we move in, because it is very likely that we will have to move everything we own into the living room, because that's the only room that isn't getting any work done and that has flooring already. We're probably gonna have to move everything into the living room, so you would like, if possible, to paint that before we move. But if we can't, then it will be fine. But there are still a couple of days. However, I think this week I'm mostly going to focus on packing, because we are moving on Tuesday and we have a wedding. Two very good friends of ours are getting married this weekend, and we are quite heavily involved in their wedding, so we still need to do some things for that as well this week. But yeah, everything will be fine. Busy times, but all fun things, so it's gonna be good. Okay, yesterday was a bit of a bummer. I was expecting the ceiling guys to come, but they apparently were finishing a different job, and forgot to call us, so they never showed. But they are here today. They've left stuff, and they are off to buy supplies now, and they're gonna put in our ceilings. It's gonna take about a week, so they will be finishing up when we have already moved in, but that's okay. They are gonna prioritize the bedroom so that we can live here while they're working. And yeah, it's gonna be good. We're gonna go home now to start packing, and we'll probably come back here this afternoon to pick up a package and also see what they've done today. Progress, finally, yay! It is day 2, kind of packing, day 2 of full-on packing. Robert is at work today and I'm home alone, so I figured I'd just stay here and pack rather than going to the house. We need to pack because we move on Tuesday and we have that wedding this weekend, so it's pretty much the last day we have. We have a little bit of time on Monday to do some things, but I will also have to work on Monday. So yeah, anyways, it needs to happen. So I'm just staying home today. I'm gonna probably just go around the house in a circle, maybe clockwise would be good, and yeah, just pack everything that we won't need in the upcoming couple of days. And I do need to remember not to pack everything I will need for the wedding and to do the bride's hair and makeup and my own hair and makeup, of course. But yeah, that'll all be fine. So I'm just working through a couple loads of laundry, so we have as little dirty laundry to move as possible. Oh, by the way, I just realized I forgot to update you on the asbestos situation. That is not getting removed this week, as I had hoped. There is someone coming next Monday to do the inspection. Oh yeah, that is also something we have to do on Monday. We have to go over there for the inspection. Anyways, he's gonna do the inspection, take some samples, and then send those to the lab, and then only after the samples come back, then we will be able to have the asbestos removed. So that's gonna take a little while longer, which means I won't be able to move into my studio just yet. We'll have to wait a little longer with that as well. I'm a little nervous. The guys started putting in the ceilings yesterday, but they said it was gonna take about a week, up to 8 days, and I expect it'll probably take a little bit longer. So when we move in, they will still be there working for a couple more days. We did ask them to do the bedroom first, so that we at least have somewhere to put the bed, because we are getting a new bed and that is being delivered on the day that we move in. So if by that time we have a wall and a ceiling in that room, that would be perfect. So I'm really hoping they get that done before then. But they will probably be finishing some of the rooms while we already live there. And then of course the whole asbestos removal is also happening while we've already moved in. Yeah, I'm just very glad that everything is happening so quickly and so soon after we move, and not, you know, weeks after, which is what I was worried about initially. Today is for packing. There's still a lot to pack. I hope we have enough boxes. I'm gonna only do the apartment and not the storage downstairs, I think, because I don't know if I'll be able to do that myself. There are lots of things stored high that are very heavy, so I think I'm just gonna do the house today. And yeah, we'll see how far I get. Wall and the ceiling. I can hardly believe it, but this is an actual proper normal wall, and it's in our house, and it separates these rooms. We have a bedroom. We can move in and sleep under a ceiling. I'm just really glad. They have been super fast these past couple of days. Yeah, we weren't here yesterday obviously because of the wedding, but they covered all of this up, and in the other room the ceiling is also all boarded up, and the wall on this side is closed off as well. Last time I was here the insulation still was showing, or I wasn't here, Robert sent me photos and I was really excited, but yeah, the insulation was still showing from this side, and then it's all closed off. So yeah, fantastic progress. We are very happy with everything that's happening here. So today my parents are coming over. We're gonna try and paint the living room so that that is ready for us to move all our things into on Tuesday. And yeah, we brought over some more boxes here today. We also brought over the plants so that we don't have to shove those in the moving van. Yeah, we move in 2 days. So tomorrow we're gonna try and disassemble the furniture that we have at home, pack up the last of the boxes. And then on Tuesday, we're gonna rent a van and bring everything here. 2 days. I still can't believe it. But there is more to do before then still, so back to work. I am really tired. We got home at 3 AM yesterday from our friend's wedding. It was a great day, great party, great wedding, but we are tired. We are so tired. Okay, no time for rest. Let's keep going. It is moving day and it is chaos. The chaos has already begun. I was over at the new house at 8 AM this morning to let the delivery guys in that delivered our new bed, and now I'm back at the old house to help finish packing up the last couple of things. Robert's parents are picking up the van. They should be here any moment now, and then we're gonna load as much as we can into this van and make our way over to the new house again. So I'm just disassembling my PC currently, making sure all the cables are neatly tied. We have moved. We officially now live here in our very full house. Everything we own is in this space, and some of it is in the shed, but I cannot believe it. It was madness yesterday. Robert's parents very kindly helped us out with the move and everything went really well. We had to make 3 round trips with a full van, but everything we have is here now. There's our mattress in the corner there. Our sofa is even already set up. This is not the place where it'll end up, obviously, because the table's still here, but yeah, everything we have is here, which is actually really nice. So yeah, I just placed an order at IKEA for that beautiful long row of low cabinets that I'm gonna have here. That's gonna have the projector and all our board games, and we're just waiting for that to arrive early next week. But I think for now this is where I'm going to end the video, and then the next one will be of us actually settling in, decorating and everything. We are considering not sleeping here until the men finish upstairs, because they're still working on the ceilings and it's a little bit impractical and a little bit awkward, honestly, to live here while they're working. So we are staying over at Robert's family for now. We're gonna probably stay over at my parents' house for a couple days, and then we'll move in probably this weekend, which will be great. But yeah, I'm very happy right now. I'm very tired. We slept for 10 hours, I think, this night. I was just exhausted, but it's done. It is done. Now we just need to unpack. I don't know where any of my clothes are. Somewhere in that tower of boxes, but I will find them eventually and it'll all be fine. So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!